Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will walk you through the step-by-step process of installing Kali Linux on VMware. So, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is download VMware Workstation, which will allow us to run Kali Linux on our computer. Open your web browser and navigate to the VMware website at www.vmware.com. Once you're on the website, click on the Downloads tab, and you'll see a list of available VMware products. Look for VMware Workstation and click on the Download Now button. I had already downloaded VMware 17 Pro, so let it download in your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the... Now that we have the VMware Workstation installed, we need to download the Kali Linux ISO file. Open your web browser and go to the official Kali Linux website at www.kali.org. Once you're on the website, click on the Downloads tab. You'll find different versions of Kali Linux available. Choose the one that best suits your needs and click on the Download button. I had already downloaded ISO file, so let it download. Now that we have both VMware Workstation and the Kali Linux ISO file, let's create a new virtual machine. Open VMware Workstation and click on the Create a New Virtual Machine option. In the wizard that appears, select Typical, Recommended, and click Next. Now, choose the Kali Linux ISO file you downloaded as the installation disk image. Click Next to continue on the next screen. You can choose a name and location for your virtual machine. Make sure you have enough disk space available. Once you're done, click Next. Click on the virtual machine you just created, and then click on Power on this virtual machine. The virtual machine will start, and you'll be presented with the Kali Linux installation screen. Select the Graphical Installs option and press Enter. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure the language, location, and other settings as needed. When prompted to partition the disk, select the desired option that best suits your need. If you're unsure, you can choose the default option. Click Continue to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to set up a username and password for the Kali Linux system. Enter your preferred credentials and click Continue to proceed. The installation process will continue, and once it's complete, you'll be prompted to restart the virtual machine. Go ahead and restart it. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Kali Linux on VMware. Now, let's explore this powerful penetration testing platform in future videos. We'll delve deeper into specific tools and techniques you can use with Kali Linux. So, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated.